What's going on, everybody? So I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody that has subscribed to my channel and supports the channel. If you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. We're about to hit 5,000 subscribers. As you can tell, the channel is finally starting to grow and really take off, which is something I never expected when I started this channel. I figured I'd get maybe a couple hundred subscribers. I think I started the channel maybe 2 years ago, so it's not a ton of subscribers, but for me it's a huge milestone. Obviously I'm going to be posting screenshots of results that I've gotten today as well, which is something I'm going to try to do every time I make a video. But if I don't, just remember these things take time, because after I do the video, then I have to send it to my computer, and then I have to edit it and add all the screenshots from the results that I've gotten. And it's really late in the day. I've normally already done this, but I've been so busy with new signups and getting updates and mailing out letters, I haven't had time to do it. I believe it's 5:30 or 6 p.m. Eastern time. Anyways, if y'all have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments, and I hope y'all have a great night.